In any programming language, when we work on data, the main topic is data type. So basically, data type is of two main categories. First is single, another is multiple. In single data type, there are int, float, complex, boolean, and string. In int, there are numbers like 1, 12, 50. In float, it is stored as 1.0 or 11.5. Complex is basically the combination of real and imaginary numbers. So here 3 is the real number and 4 is the imaginary number. Boolean is of two types, that is true and false. These boolean is used when there is condition, whether the condition is true or false. In string, anything under the quotes is considered as a string, whether it will be alphabets or whether it will be a number, float, anything into it that will be the string format. In multiple, there are tuple, list, set, and dictionary. So in tuple, the value is stored in round brackets. So in round brackets, the value with all the single data types combination is stored in tuple, like integers 10, 12.5, complex number, boolean, or string. So the main thing about tuple is that we only can store and access the data, but we can't manipulate the data. It's stored in the tuple. In list, it is stored as square brackets. In square bracket form as well, it is stored as same combination of single data type. But the difference between the tuple and list is that here we can manipulate the data as well. Here we can store it, we can manipulate it, and we can access the data. Another is set. So set is stored in the curly bracket, and the value inside it is a unique set of values. If I have put in here 2, 2, 3, the output it will give me is 1, 2, 3. So basically it will eliminate the repeated element in the set and it will give the unique set of value, that is 1, 2, 3. Here 2 is repeated twice, so it has written once. Dictionary, again dictionary has curly bracket used here. So the difference between set and dictionary is that if we have to assign an empty set, we have to use set, comma, open and closed round bracket. And in dictionary, we have to use curly brackets. So in the dictionary, we have key and value pairs. So, for example, here key is A and we have values stored in A is B, or B, in B we have values stored is 20. So basically in multiple data type we can use all the single data type in the multiple data types. This is the two main categories of data type. Thank you.